Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Dear friends, today I would like to explain the fascinating phenomena of lightning and thunder. Lightning is caused by the buildup and discharge of electrical energy in storm clouds. Within these clouds, particles of ice and water collide, generating an electric charge. The positive charges gather at the top of the cloud, while negative charges accumulate at the bottom. When the difference between these charges becomes too great, a discharge of electricity occurs. This is what we see as lightning. Lightning can travel between clouds or from the clouds to the ground. Now, let's talk about thunder. Thunder is the sound produced by the rapid expansion and heating of air caused by lightning's extreme heat. When lightning strikes, it heats the surrounding air to incredible temperatures up to 30,000 Kelvin or about 53,540 degrees Fahrenheit. This intense heat causes the air to expand rapidly, creating a shockwave. This shockwave travels through the air as a sound wave, which we hear as thunder. The loudness and duration of thunder can vary depending on the nature and distance of the lightning strike. In summary, thunder and lightning are closely connected. The lightning is the visible discharge of electricity in storm clouds, while thunder is the sound produced by the rapid expanding air heated by the lightning. These natural events remind us of the incredible power and beauty of our planet's weather systems. I am concluding my words. Wa akhiru da'wana alhamdulillahi rabbil alamin. Assalamu alaikum.